Hello there and welcome to another video. So today we are going to practice the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. Today we will practice the sounds of letters from K to O. Alright, are you ready? Let's start. So please remember to listen and repeat. Here we go. So this is K. The sound is K. K. Kid. Kangaroo. Kite. Okay, next letter. This is L. All. Lock. Lion. Lamp. Okay, next letter. M. Mop. Mike. Mouse. Alright, good job. Next letter. N. Nurse. Needle. Net. Alright, good job. O. Orange. Octopus. Ocean. Okay, good job, well done. So, let's review the sounds one more time. Please remember, listen and repeat. K. K. All. Okay, so this time, please listen to the sound, then touch the letter. Here we go. So first one, Touch the letter. It's this one. Next. Touch the letter. This one. Okay, next. All. It's this one. K. K. It's this one. It's this one. Okay, good job, well done. So next, look at the letters. When you see a letter flash, please say the sound. Then listen and check the answer. Here we go. K. O. All. Alright, that's the end of today's video. Good job, well done. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. If you think your friends would find this video useful, please share it with them. If you have a comment, please write it down below. If you'd like to study more English today, here are some more videos that you can watch. And let's study English together soon. Goodbye.